Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I want to start producing more videos to you guys. So today's video, I want to show you guys a couple aftermarket accessories that we have for our tractor to make life easier and simpler, and accessories and where we got the accessories. So come along with me as I show you guys around and the cool accessories that we have for our tractor. So stay with me. Alright, I pulled the tractor up a little closer for you guys to see, but we have the all-new ITC TYM Customs toolbox right here. Quick attach. It opens up. You take this out, we have stuff in it, and you have this whole big box in there that you can put tools in and all your stuff. And it folds in. I'll get you guys a clip of it in there. And then this pops open. You can put like your screwdrivers and stuff up here, whatever you want to put in there. And the cool thing about this toolbox, there's a pin right here that you pull. And you lift off the toolbox. And that is made for you to put other accessories on this that they're gonna be making for it. And this is from TYM Customs. So how you put it back on, these hooks right here, it just slides right into here, goes on, and you put your pin back in, just like that, and it's back in. I'll get you guys some more clips of that, but let's move on to the other accessories that we have for the tractor. Alright guys, this other custom thing we have on our tractor is also from TYM Customs. We'll have a link in the description below. But it's so when you're doing grapple work or brush work in the woods, it'll protect the front of your hood so you don't get bashed out and holes in it. And it folds down to where you need to get your hood open. It folds down real nicely with just two simple pins. Folds down real nicely just like that, and that's free for you to open your hood. And that's what it looks like when you have your hood open. It folds down real nicely, real easy, and real light to fold down to get out of the way for the hood to swing open. Okay, next we have a chainsaw holder. You can just slide your chainsaw in and out. Real easy. And this one actually also has the quick attach. You pull the pin out the same way and it comes right off that easy. And you can put other accessories on there that they're going to be making that have the same quick attach. It just goes right on and put the pin back in. So you just put this back in real easy and get our pin back in. And then put our chainsaw back in. It's good for when you're in the woods and need to bring your chainsaw. And the also good thing with this chainsaw holder, it holds any size chainsaw because the bottom of it is actually opened up so your chainsaw can stick out a little bit. Moving to the back of the tractor, we have this patch quick hitch attachment that we put on. It's very nice for putting implements back on the back of your tractor. Real nice and easy. You just pull up and put it on. You don't have to mess with all the other stuff. This is from Patch Quick Hitch. You can get them at TYM Customs, Patch Quick Hitch. This is a top link that we added. This top link is very good because it is very easy for smoothing out and grading your driveway or your yard, because your box blade will just tilt like that. And I'll show you guys a clip of that. This is the lever that you switch right and left to tilt your box blade or any attachment on the back. So let's fire up the tractor and show you guys. So the top link is good for adjusting your implements on the back, so you can tilt them just by the lever. We have this cup holder and phone holder. It's very nice, so you can just slip your phone in there, and an extra cup holder. And there's this grab handle. They're both from TYM Customs. We have this wheel spinner right here that we attached. I'll put the link in the description below where we got it from. But it's also really nice when you're doing loader work and turning real quick. A lot of you guys said in the comments to actually get one, so we listened to you guys. So that's the stuff that we have on our tractor for now. A lot of our stuff is from TYM Customs. I'll put a link to everything that is on our tractor in the description below. And guys, look out on TYM Customs page because they're coming out with new stuff a lot, and they have a lot of planning for a lot of stuff for your tractor that connects to these quick attach stuff. So just look out for that, guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video of me showing you guys the aftermarket attachments that we have on our tractor. It's really nice having them, and plan to get a lot more soon. But the stuff I showed you is from TYM Customs, so keep a look on their page because they come out with a lot of new stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.